Most men don't fail because they're stupid. They fail because they're distracted, drained, and addicted. And one of the most destructive addictions of this generation is porn. It doesn't announce itself as dangerous. It feels harmless, private, normal. But slowly, silently, it rewires your brain, kills your ambition, and turns strong men into spectators of their own lives. If you feel unmotivated, if your confidence is low, if you struggle with focus, discipline, or direction, this video is not meant to comfort you. It's meant to wake you up. Here are undeniable reasons you must quit porn starting now. Reason 1. Porn weakens your brain. Your brain was designed to solve problems, build, create, and dominate challenges. Porn does the opposite. Excessive porn consumption is linked to chronic stress, poor focus, mental fog, depression, social anxiety. Why? Because porn overstimulates dopamine, the chemical responsible for motivation and reward. Over time, your brain becomes numb to real effort. Hard work feels painful. Discipline feels impossible. Life feels dull. This isn't weakness. This is brain damage through overconsumption. And if you don't stop, your mind will never reach its full potential. Reason 2. It kills your inner drive. A man without drive is already defeated. Men addicted to porn often struggle with financial growth, career progression, romantic relationships, long-term goals. Porn tricks your brain into thinking you've won without earning anything. No effort, no risk, no struggle. And when your brain gets used to easy pleasure, it rejects real achievement. That's how ambition dies. You don't lose motivation overnight. You lose it session by session. Reason 3. It destroys your self-esteem. Every relapse leaves a mark, not physically, but mentally. Porn addiction creates regret, guilt, shame, self-loathing. You start to see yourself as weak, undisciplined, out of control. And confidence doesn't survive in a mind filled with shame. The worst part? It can take months or even years to rebuild confidence once it's broken. Quit now and save yourself from long-term psychological damage.